Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel to watch latest and trendy videos. I know you were waiting of my latest video. So your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, there are my regardings and best wishes for you. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest video that I share to my channel daily. Today, I am presenting beautiful, amazing bob haircut ideas with fashion hair color with balayage and with streaking as well. You can select your favorite haircut and hairstyle with your favorite fashion hair color among these hair colors and haircuts. While I am presenting all the haircuts with beautiful fashion hair color which are going on trending these days. You can go on with your base color as well. It's up to you what kind of color and haircut you select for yourself and you like for yourself. While these all haircuts are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. No doubt after getting these hairstyle you will feel younger than your age as well because these haircuts and hair color will give you a younger look and beautiful look, no doubt. All age scale girls can adopt these hairstyles. So, ladies, don't waste your time. Just go to your hairstylist by taking screenshot of your favorite hairstyle and adopt this hairstyle. After getting this hairstyle, you can also share with me that which color and haircut you select for yourself through comment section. You also can appreciate me through comment section, and if you like the video, please share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. So I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice next. So guys, these all haircuts are really amazing and ready to go anywhere anytime. You can go anywhere after getting them, like kitty parties, get together, functions, even though in weddings also. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your another favorite topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great hair day.